Still Wednesday, the 12th of March. Got the four-wheeler running. I still got a lot to put back together on it. My new fuel pump was garbage. I hooked everything back up to the old one. Pump fuel cranked up. So, original problem was valve adjustment, which was mimicked by a bad fuel pump. But she's running. Got old gasoline in it. Well, I got it down here. See about getting either a carburetor kit or replacing the carburetor if it's cheap enough, and swapping out the carb, or clean and rebuild the one I got. But we're running. Let me open up some doors in here so I don't gas myself. So that's all for this one. Thank you.